Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Gstop token. Now this is basically a new Gamestop token on the Ethereum blockchain. Now there was another popular Gamestop token. There was one on Solana that came out that was very popular. I have done videos on a previous Gamestop token, maybe even a couple of them. I'll try to remember to link one at the end of this video, probably the most popular one that went up like 1,000% the other day. But this one is a brand new token, ticker symbol Gstop, that is getting a very big central exchange listing starting tomorrow, May 22nd, on a very big central exchange. And we're going to go over the information on the Gstop token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So this token is on the Ethereum blockchain. You can find them listed on Deck Screener if you're looking for the chart. Now they do have a nice liquidity lock. We're going to go over that in a second here. And this token just got listed, or just being listed, I should say, tomorrow, May 22nd at 6 a.m. UTC time, on a very big central exchange called Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all we'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search Gstop, and then simply just buy the token. Now this token has 314 holders so far. There's a circulating supply and a total supply of 1 billion tokens. Market cap is $2.84 million. They have a 24-hour trading volume of $77,320. If you look on Deck Screener, there is it says liquidity on Uniswap, $208,000, and right beside where it says liquidity, there is a lock button. If you click on that, it says 100% total liquidity locked and burned. So that's great to see that they have that. Now, this is a token here that you could find on Etherscan, 18 decimal places on this token. You can find the contract address on their webpage, GameStopETH.io. It says, we are the official meme token of GameStop on the Ethereum blockchain. Just like GameStop was a revolution in the stock market, we are now going to make history in crypto. We are a movement. We will show the big guys out there, the common people will take power from now on. Get ready for a rebellion against the big capitalists. We are now seizing power with our solidarity and unbridled desire, and will soon rule the crypto world. Now, it's been interesting actually what's been going on with Bitcoin and ETH. They were pumping a lot, and that is because I think they said like 75% sure that this Ethereum ETF by BlackRock, I believe, is going to go through. So there's all this news about that lately. So Ethereum has been pumping, and same with Bitcoin and a lot of other coins as well. So it says, this cryptocurrency is based on the GameStop phenomenon. Its story revolves around a group of individual investors who, through online forums like Reddit, Wall Street Bets, rallied to buy shares of GameStop, driving its stock price to unprecedented heights in January 2021. This unexpected surge disrupted traditional Wall Street dynamics, challenging hedge funds that had bet against GameStop's success. The saga became emblematic of retail investors using collective action to challenge established financial institutions, sparking debates about online communities, power, and the democracy of investing. GameStop's success, exemplified by Roaring Kitty's influential role, showed what can be achieved through grassroots movements. We aim to replicate that success here in the realm of crypto on the Ethereum blockchain. Now, the Roaring Kitty token did very well. There was one that I believe was on ETH to begin with. That one did very well. There was a new one that came out on the Solana blockchain. I don't know how that one's doing, but I actually don't know how either one of them is doing, but I know they came down a bit after the recent halting and the big thing again with GameStop that happened recently, about 5 days ago or something like that. So they have how to buy on Uniswap on their webpage in case you're interested in that. They also have some memes, tokenomics, no tax it says, ownership renounced, liquidity burnt. Now they have here on their webpage contact email, a link to their Telegram, and a link to their Twitter. Now their Telegram is at ETH Gamestop and has 1,731 subscribers. So that's a great place to see updates regarding this project. And as always, I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the screen here at ETH Gamestop. And they have 10 tweets so far. It says this is the crypto version on ETH based on the GME phenomenon. 100% community-driven token. Get ready for financial freedom. Has a link to their Telegram, link to their webpage. Brand new project. Just joined in May 2024. 2,316 followers. And if you scroll down, you're going to see their brand new Mexc global announcement. Prior to the listing, they are doing a Kickstarter event where you could vote with MX tokens to potentially win a reward pool of 50,000 USDT or a share of that reward pool anyways. And on DEX Tools, they have a DEX score of 99 out of 99. They have a community trust score of 100% out of 204 votes. And they also have 3 quick audits: Go Plus Security, Quick Intel Security, and honeypot.is. And there is no warnings on any of them. So they have all good quick audits. They have a nice liquidity lock and burn. I mean, not much bad things to say about this token is they could use like a full audit for sure, and a team doxing and that type of stuff. But everything that I see right now seems okay. But I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc global one where this token's being listed. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.